there's those days that you think about making a snowman, and you're thinking about doing it December, November, when you're with your family and, you know, all kinds of stuff. But you don't think about doing it literally when it's like May 10th. It's almost like supposed to be like spring. It's a snowstorm. And I'm not talking about it's just flaking. I'm talking about there's inches here. I'm going to make a snowman. It's May 10th. Happy Mother's Day. There's a lot of people that me. A lot of people that have been angry at me. I had it kind of rough coming up through my high school and my college years. That, you know, a lot of people kind of, you know, these are just for some of the people that have taken care of me along the way. This doesn't give justice to like people, you know, like my immediate mother that I've had to go through so many hurdles with. You know, I think people just know from me being a fighter that I became a fighter, that to be a fighter you had to have gone through some pretty tough stuff, even maybe to the point of trauma. But anyhow, obviously this is, you know, I just tell your Mother's Day, you take a time, you give it a but anyhow, for the people over the years that have taken me in, you know, maybe and giving them one. There's a guy, they're scraping for ice.